Folks, and welcome back to part 6 of our small video series on how to make a custom table view cells. So far we have almost everything set up. It's now time to start adding some data and see if all this actually works. So I'm going to do something that's pretty familiar to you. I'm going to do an alert. So I'm going to do this rather quickly. So the first thing I'll do here is I'll go over to our storyboard. I'll do a bar button. I'll drop the bar button on the navigation and I will make it a plus. And then I will go into my assistant editor. I'll go over to the table controller and I will simply control drag into my code up near the top and I'll say do add. And we'll make sure this is an action and we'll make sure it's a type bar button and boom, there we go. Let me move that down. So we now have that button set up. Again, I'm doing this rather quickly because you've seen this code multiple times, but it's always good to have a little refresher. So, the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to say let add alert equal UI alert controller. UI alert controller, and we're going to. Oh, why didn't that come up nicely? Let's see here. UI alert controller, and we're going to use this one. The title will be icon question mark. The string will be enter the name of a possible icon, and this will be a dot alert. Okay, let's minimize this. So we got that set up. What did we lose here? We lost our close brace. Okay, so we have the alert. We're now going to say add alert dot add action alert UI alert action. This action will just be cancel. It'll be dot cancel, and it'll be a nil for the handler. The next one will be add alert dot text dot add a text field with no configuration. The next thing will be add alert. Actually, I'll do it like this. I'll say add action. Add action equals UI alert action. The action will be add. It'll be a dot default. And I'll use trailing syntax, so I'll close this here and then I'll open up my trailing syntax. What does it not like here? Let me just see something. Extra argument and call. Oh no, that's okay. Oh yeah, we need to close this bracket. Okay, there we go. So we have the title will be add, and the style will be default, and then we will code our little completion here. Whoa, and the completion will just be let the name equals add alert dot text fields dot first dot text, and then I'll simply do what? I'll say self dot the icon names dot append append, and we're going to append the name. We're just going to append the name, and that's going to be it for the closure. And then finally, I'm just going to do what? I'm just going to say present, where's our present view controller? The view controller is the add controller, so the alert add, it will be animated and there'll be nothing there. And let's see, what are we complaining about here? Okay, so we have that, the alert action, the style is default. We have that, and I forgot the word in. Okay, so there we have it, and we do need some extra. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to an exclamation, and I'm gonna change this to an exclamation to force everything. And then this here, I'll have to force that as well. Okay, so what I have left to do here is say add action, add alert, dot add action. Okay. And there's one last. No, that's about it. That's all we'll do for now. So let's give this a try. Well, friends, go. I'm going to bring up the name of the assets just so we can see the assets. So if I do plus, I'll just try. First, we'll try book. B-O-O-K. And there's a book. Comes up, no problem. Then next we'll try Earth. And Earth comes up, but it's got the regular one. Then we'll try Earth. We'll try Jupiter. No, we'll try Mars. Again, that's a regular one. Then we'll try, let's try a crown. And the crown works, and let's try, I like this, let's try diving dash gear. And there you go, we now have a table with custom table view cells. In the intro, I did have the delete, so you can implement the delete on your own, but that finishes up this little series on how to use custom table view cells when working with table views. The one thing I do want to mention is it's exactly the same when you're using collection views. The only difference is you're making custom collection view cells rather than custom table view cells. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye.